Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Zero Diabetes Zone, where we dive into everything you need to know about managing diabetes effectively. Today, we're talking about two health concerns that often go hand in hand, diabetes and cholesterol. If you have diabetes, managing your cholesterol is just as important. Stick around to learn how to keep both under control. First, let's understand why diabetes and cholesterol are linked. When you have diabetes, especially type 2, your body's metabolism isn't working as it should. This can lead to higher levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and lower levels of HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. High blood sugar levels can also damage your arteries, making it easier for cholesterol to build up and cause blockages. This combination puts you at a higher risk for cardiovascular diseases. That's why it's crucial for people with diabetes to manage their cholesterol levels. But don't worry, we're here to help you do just that. Let's talk about diet. What you eat plays a major role in managing both diabetes and cholesterol. Here are some key foods to include in your diet. Number 1. Fiber-rich foods. Foods high in soluble fiber, like oatmeal, beans, fruits, and vegetables, can help lower your LDL cholesterol levels. Fiber also helps control blood sugar levels, making it a double win. Number 2. Healthy fats. Instead of saturated fats found in red meat and butter, go for healthy fats like those in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats can help raise your HDL cholesterol and lower your LDL cholesterol. Number 3. Lean proteins, such as chicken, fish, and plant-based options like tofu, are great for keeping both cholesterol and blood sugar levels in check. Number 4. Whole grains are packed with nutrients and fiber, helping to manage blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also how much. Portion control is key. Next up is exercise. Regular physical activity can help you manage both diabetes and cholesterol effectively. Number 1. Cardio exercises like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling can help lower blood sugar levels and improve your cholesterol profile. Number 2. Strength training is also beneficial. Building muscle helps your body use insulin more effectively, which is great for blood sugar control. Number 3. Don't forget flexibility and balance exercises like yoga. These can improve overall fitness and reduce stress, which is good for both your heart and your blood sugar levels. Find activities you enjoy and aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week. Even small changes can make a big difference. While lifestyle changes are crucial, medication can also play a role in managing diabetes and cholesterol. Number 1. Diabetes medications. There are various medications available to help control blood sugar levels. Your doctor will prescribe what's best for you based on your specific needs. Number 2. Cholesterol-lowering medications. Cholesterol-lowering medications, such as statins, can help reduce your LDL cholesterol levels and lower your risk of heart disease. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential to monitor your levels and adjust your treatment plan as needed. Before we wrap up, here are some quick lifestyle tips to help you manage both diabetes and cholesterol effectively. Number 1. Quit smoking. If you smoke, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your heart and overall health. Number 2. Limit alcohol. Moderate alcohol consumption can affect both blood sugar and cholesterol levels, so keep it in check. Number 3. Stress management. Chronic stress can negatively impact both conditions. Practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or even just taking time for a hobby you love. Final thoughts. Managing diabetes and cholesterol together might seem challenging, but with the right knowledge and a proactive approach, it's absolutely possible. Remember, your health is in your hands. Start making small, positive changes today, and you'll see the benefits over time. Thanks for tuning in to Zero Diabetes Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing diabetes effectively. See you next time.